हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। देखो, काफ़ी सारा गैप तो हो गया है, बट मैं फिर आ गई हूँ बवाल मचाने। और इस बार हम बात कर रहे हैं अमेजॉन प्राइम पे रिलीज हुई वरुण धवन और जानवी कपूर की फिल्म बवाल के बारे में।
झूठ के बीज बो बो के अज्जू भैया ने अपनी इमेज की लहलहाती फसल खड़ी की है।
बेटा, माहौल ऐसा बनाओ कि लोगों को माहौल याद रहे, रिजल्ट नहीं।
इस दौर में हर नए दिन OTT पे कोई ना कोई फिल्म तो लॉन्च होती ही है, जिनमें कई सारी फिल्म्स तो हम ना देखते हुए भी देख लेते हैं और कई सारी फिल्में ऐसी होती है जो हम याद भी नहीं कर पाते। But director Nitish Tiwari, who gave us movies like Dangal and Chichore, has definitely left his mark, yet again giving us something to remember. Bawal is a touching yet rewarding film that tells the story of young couple who overcome adversity to find love. Set in a backdrop of Lucknow, it follows the journey of Ajay, an exhibitionist played by Varun Dhawan, and Nisha, a calm, ambitious woman who never gives up on love in spite of the differences, played by Janhvi Kapoor. There is a dialogue in the movie where Ajay, discussing the differences between the couple, says कितना अलग है हम दोनों में, to which Nisha replies, कुछ कॉमन होना जरूरी है. The scene in itself showcases the power of love and how love can transform lives and bring two complete opposites together. When the power of love overcomes love for grit, pride, a new human being is born, which is the entire transformation journey shown in the movie. Nitish Tiwari showcased his skill by designing a trailer that completely confused us, leaving us bewildered, wanting to know more. Here as well, he's filled the movie with heartwarming moments and brought the story to life with excellent cinematography and screenplay, keeping you at the edge of your seat. When a director's vision comes to life, it definitely hits you differently, making the characters believable, which is exactly what Bawal is. Varun Dhawan as Ajay plays a narcissist who believes in atmosphere rather than actuality, has matured into his character and has done justice to his role. Janhvi Kapoor as Nisha gets a chance to showcase her acting skills and leaves a lasting impression on the audiences. This goes to show that with the right script and colorful palette, she can outdo herself. Their chemistry is bluntly fresh with huge respect for one another. Manoj Pavwa, Mukesh Tiwari and Anjuman Saxena have portrayed their characters beautifully and lifts up the narrative by a notch. A quick shout out to the Gujju gang as well, who deliver some much needed comic relief between parts. म्यूजिक की हम बात करें तो द बैकग्राउंड स्कोर इज डिसेंट एंड फ्लोज विद द नैरेटिव. द सॉन्ग्स हाउएवर फेल्स टू लिव अप टू द मार्क एक्सेप्ट फॉर तुम्हें कितना प्यार करते हैं, विच इज सung by अरिजीत सिंह and composed by Mithun, which plays in the end. Mithun has rendered his composition beautifully and is soothing to your ears. The best aspect of the movie, however, was showcasing World War II and its lasting impact of the lives of everyone involved from Paris to Auschwitz. The director has beautifully telegraphed its history to blend in with modern day struggles of life and how one can find the path to happiness by realizing what we have rather than endlessly pursuing what we don't have, failing to realize its importance until it's gone. Life is not how we want it to be, but it's how we make it for us. थैंक यू गाइस. आपको ये रिव्यू और ये मूवी कैसी लगी हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के ज़रूर बताइएगा. दिस इज दीक्षा साइनिंग ऑफ.